Look at the incredible beauty of lower Deschutes River. I'm here in Madras, Central Oregon, and I'm staring at a national wild and scenic river. This is the boat dock, the boat ramp for Trout Creek Campground on the east side of lower Deschutes River. See a nice little day use area, kind of help you while you're launching your boat. I gotta say, this is pretty darn epic. Today's January 30th, 2024. If you're wondering why there's an ethereal fog mist in the air and there's nobody here, this is off season. I'm the only one here. I do notice that this is not paved, it is gravel. It does also look like the left side's a little smoother than the right side. I think they should smooth that out actually a little bit on the right if they could. BLM. But I gotta say, this is a world-class boat ramp, world-class river, world-class campground. Probably a little bit off the radar, candidly, because you don't hear a lot of people talking about Trout Creek Campground. But I gotta say, this is pretty darn epic.